Good morning, Thursday, last day of this month, 30th of April, algebraic identity. Before going to worksheet 5, once again I recapitulate the first four identities. Today your last one identity. First one is, what is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. A plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Yesterday I think you have completed the worksheet 4. Now I go for worksheet 5. The fifth your identity is x plus a into x plus b. This is similar of identity third, but in identity a and b are two numbers integers, but here x is your variables and a and b are two numbers, two integers, either they are positive or negative. Instead of x, your variables will be either a, b, c, x, y, z. So here in your identity you have to return only x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So x plus a into x plus b is equal to the sum of two numbers a and b and the product of two numbers a and b. In worksheet 6 and 7 you have factorization of algebraic expressions. So all these identity we have to use in factorization 7th and worksheet 6. So let us start today this worksheet 5. I go for only first sum. There are 3 questions in this worksheet 5. Today I go for only first sum. In first sum there are 15 parts. I have to solve 6 or 7 questions. First one is find the product. X plus 5 into x plus 4, the product of two binomials. So dear children, look here, your variable is your x and a is your plus 5 and b is your plus 4. So using identity, either it is your plus or minus, you can use only main identity, that is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. If your a is your positive, then write here plus sign. If b is your positive, if a and b are your negative, then put your sign inside of this common bracket minus or plus, whatever the sign given in your a and b. Otherwise you can write only this main identity, x plus a into x plus b, x square plus a plus bx plus ab. I have taken the different signs of sum in your algebraic expressions. You check one by one. So find the product of x plus 5 into x plus 4. Both a and b are positive. So the main identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. X square plus, what is a? 5. What is b? 4. 5 plus 4 into x plus 5 4. ab, 5 into 4. X square plus 5 plus 4, 9. Plus 9, 9x plus 5 4 are 20. In this way we can solve this identity. We can use this identity in these type of expressions. Now there is little bit of variation in next sum, that here a is your minus. Third questions, x minus 9 into x plus 7. Find the product of. So this expression is not given in the form of identity third, because in identity third is a plus b into a minus b. Here a and b are similar, but here a is your minus 9 and b is your 7. X is your variables. So using identity, x plus a into x plus b, x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So this is equal to x square plus, now inside in the bracket sum of two numbers, we can write here a is your minus 9 plus b is your 7. Minus 9 plus 7 into x plus minus 9 into 7. So you can put whatever the sign in your expression when you solve in second step. But in identity you can use only x plus a into x plus b, x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Is it clear? So minus 9 plus 7 minus 2 plus minus minus 2x plus minus 9 into 7 minus 63. Again multiplication of plus minus 63. Your answer is x square minus 2x minus 63. Is it okay? Next, I go for fourth part. Now I have taken here b is your minus x plus 8 into x minus 5. Find the product of x plus 8 into x minus 5. So using guarantee, again this expression is given in the shape of x plus a into x plus b, x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Here x is x, a is your plus 8, b is your minus 5. So this is equal to x square plus 8 plus, then write minus 5, in common write minus 5, and you can put here square bracket into x plus 8 into minus 5 in common bracket. So 8 minus plus minus minus 8 minus 5 3x, x square plus 3x plus minus 8 5s are 40. So x square plus 3x minus 40. In this way you can put the sign of a and b when you go for second step, but you can write identity as it is. What is your main identity? That is x plus a into x plus b, x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Ignore here sign, don't go for sign. You can use or put sign in when you solve this sum in second step. Now 6 questions. I take here a and b both your negative integers, and instead of x here variable is p. So again using guarantee, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Okay, now here a is your minus 5 and b is your minus 4. So x square and x is your p. This can be written as p square plus minus 5 minus 4 into p plus minus 5 into minus 4. Product of two negative integers is positive, and if we add two negative integers, we add their absolute value in the sign, in the prefix sign will be minus. If both are negative integers, so you can read all these rules in class 6 in integers. If both are negative integers, we add their absolute value in the prefix sign will be minus. Minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 into p plus 20, p square plus minus 9p plus 20. Next, 10th. This type of questions we already have done. Z plus 6 into z minus 5. Find the product of two binomials, but two binomials are given in the form of identity. Fifth, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. This is equal to z square. Your x is your z, a is your 6, b is your minus 5. So z square plus 6 plus minus 5 into z plus 6 into minus 5. Z square 6 minus 5 1 into z plus minus 6 5 are 30 minus 30, z square plus z minus 30. So to practice very easy sums, you can first learn all these identity, where you can use these identity in which expressions. If you practice more and more practice at home, then you are able to solve these type of sums. Again I go for 12th part, that is x minus 10 into x plus 9. Find the product of x minus 10 into x plus 9. Again using guarantee, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Now x is your x, a is your minus 10 and b is your 9. X square plus minus 10 plus 9 into x plus minus 10 into 9. X square plus minus 10 plus 9 minus 1. So minus 1 into x minus x plus minus 10 into 9 minus 90 plus minus 90. Your answer is x square minus x minus 90. Now your question number 13th. This question, we can solve this question in two ways. Either you can solve this sum using identity third or identity fourth. So y minus 4 into y plus 4. So this expression is given in the form of identity a plus b into a minus b. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. This is equal to a square, a whole square minus b whole square, y whole square minus 4 whole square, y square minus 16. Your answer. Or this type of sum is given in this worksheet. Either you can use this identity third or you can use identity fifth. If x is your y, a is your minus 4, b is your 4. So y square, this is equal to x square plus a plus b, x plus ab, y square plus minus 4 plus 4 into y plus minus 4 into 4 is equal to y square minus 4 plus 4, 0 into y, 0, plus minus 4 into 4 minus 16 plus minus y square minus 16. So you solve all the other parts of this worksheet. Your homework is do question first of worksheet 5. Remaining the other parts of this worksheet, you solve it in your notebook and revise worksheet 4, 5 and brain teachers of squares and square root. So dear children, you have on this Sunday a class test of worksheet 4, 5 and brain teachers of squares and square roots. So thank you. Have a nice day.